So let me get this straight. Chapter 5.2 is coming in Heaven's World Global, right? But look at this. There's a new Aina SS Memoria. Let me get this straight. If Chapter 5.2 is already coming in Global, what if at the same time the Aina event will be coming? Same time the Chapter 5.2 launch ever confirmed? The question is simple, but the answer is it is possible to get the Aina event because notation the Tojo Prize powered by Bakasa. Aina is the third developer common skill makes SS2 better. None by another one is for Iroha, so that means yeah, chapter 5.2 is already coming at January 9. The Aina event is coming again. As I said, January 9 is here in the Philippines. January 8 will be in the US. So that means the maintenance should be at 3 p.m. and then at 7, going to start the chapter 5.2. It is possible to get SS Karere. Not going to say because SS Karere is not gacha pull because you only have to complete the chapter 5.2 to get SS Karere. First ever SS Memoria na Usaka personality ang naibilin. Kaya a lot of SS Memorias can carry aside from the Gamer Girl has a ton of SS Memoria that has serial killer. That's why she named her Carrie. It's the second personality. While the first ever Gamer Girl SS Memoria can Kalinin, you have to complete the chapter 5.2, which is why Karen's two different personalities are not contained in the inverter because the other personality has some issues for it. So yeah, if you want to complete chapter 5.2, again, please complete because the Kaleido Ouroboros has Ice and Fire element with 20,000 recommended rating. So if you want to upgrade the squad, please do it right now before the January 9. If you're from the Philippines, January 9 at 3 p.m. will be the maintenance, then at 7 p.m. I don't know what the time it is. We'll start the chapter 5.2. You know, at the same time you're going to complete it. Javier Giarta, please watch the trailer and then upload it on YouTube, on Facebook, what else. Javier Giarta, please subscribe to me. Also, if everyone's aware Giarta, please watch my announcement on my YouTube short because I came here to, you know, critic about the future updates of Heaven's World Global. Not talking about the chapter 5.3, also known as the Overdrive Gods, insanely unlucky. So yeah, I'm about to wait for like next month or next year, so that means you can get to the Aina event and also the chapter 5.2, which is coming because today is December 20 and many days before New Year. Like and subscribe for part 2 because look,